playing in plein air, I have to set up my studio outside. Hi, Wayne White here. I'm a watercolor artist, and this time I'm painting up in Northern California out of a little town called Weed. And I'm sitting on the grounds of the Weed High School up at Mount Shasta, which is framed by pine trees. And it's a warm, sunny day. And so I better begin. Start by wetting the back side of my watercolor paper good and wet because I don't want it to wrinkle on me. I had two together. I thought it was 140 pound, and I'm going to paint the sky. Sky's still wet. I put another wash of blue on it. I put a wash of yellow ochre with a touch of blue in it. This. A deeper color of the yellow ochre. Put a little burnt umber with it. Add a little spring yellow. Playing in plein air, I have to set up my studio outside. So I set up my easel. This is my easel. It's just an empty box that folds up, and my empty box that I set up that's collapsible, that holds my paint, my water, and my brushes. A fast way to set up. And I have a folding stool that I need to set on. Take some more yellow. I'll paint that yellow-green. Either like me or they like the paints I'm using. Let's see, Payne's gray and brown. This is burnt sienna. Let's see what this looks like. I'm painting with the side of it. That's going to be snow. here, why then it gets greener. Constantly attacked by either bees or flies. Put in some pine trees. You know, Kevin, I'm going to quit.
Okay. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's not the paper. It's not a good paper, so I'm struggling with the paper. Yeah, I'm signing off for now. This was about a little over a 30-minute sketch, and there's more work to do on it, but I'm not sure I'm going to. I don't like this. I don't know what it is. I don't like the paper I'm working on. Number one thing, if you're painting watercolors, use good paper. Arches or Kilimanjaro or Fabriano, those are good brand names, but don't use what I'm using, and I don't know what it is I'm using. Thanks for watching, and come again.